Hello guys and good evening everyone. Hatem Ali for Projection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the Nike Viper Max 2019 Black Gold. Okay, guys, by the way, I will tell you another video how to figure the fake from the original, okay? So watch and you will understand. This is the Black Gold, okay? I will tell you everything about shoes and we will be honest with each other, okay? Look guys, let's see here. The shoes are gorgeous, okay, and everything. Let's talk about pluses and minuses, okay? Here it's have air, as you see. But look, here it's have air. But here, I don't think so. Here no, here no, here no. The only two places that have air, here, this area, and this area. Yeah, they have real air. Anyway, let's say something. They say that this black gold, where is black gold? It's gray gold. Number one. Why Nike write black gold? Where is the fucking black here? I see this black lines. Sorry, I mean when I bought it as black gold, not as gray. I don't have clothes gray, so how is gonna match it? And it looks silly. Number two, it's not gold as you expected. See? Not that gold. You know, in the photo for the Nike site, they show that it's really deep gold. These shoes take 5 years to create it. Take my ass. Guys, I will tell you something. Look, please, look to the shame here. Okay, I hope this will appear in this fucking iPhone Max garbage camera. Yeah, I know this will not be garbage fucking camera here. Look. This is finishing for, it's not a beer. Yeah, here now is a beard. This is finishing for, they say that the creator for the shoes, it took 5 years to create the shoes. Really? What is this shame? Look, this is 5 years. Wait, I still not show you anything. Finishing for the shoes are completely crap. You know guys, I have Air Max 2018, no compare material or anything. This is shame that Nike created this. Number two, you know guys, this network, it's here. Behind this network there is this material, got me? This is network here, as you see. See, network. You know this network will got dust. Listen, wherever you are, in New York, in wherever, any place you go, you will got dust in these shoes, you got dust. Dust will go behind this. I know what I'm saying. In the future, dust will go behind this network. And this thing is gonna be dirty. The Nike symbol and this gold behind this network. And you will not be able to clean it. Only if you will wash the shoes. You got me? Your brush or your material, whatever you clean, you will not reach behind. You got me? And this area all will be dusty and dirty, appear dirty after time. I'm not saying now it's brand new. Sure, now it's brand new, but let's wait a couple of months and you will see. You even from first month, sometimes if your country is certain second world countries garbage, like our roads here in Ukraine, the most crap, dirty roads in all Europe. This shoes here in Ukraine is gonna be 1 month maximum and you start to get dirty, okay? Number one. Okay, number two, please. This is finishing for Nike shoes that cost me 200. Come on, do focus. Oh God, I hate iPhone Max. Trash phone as fuck. Okay, this is here photo for this is for $250. I make it, and look, what is this? Where is the other one? All of them are shame like this. Let's try to do focus here. Yeah, look. Wow, this is finishing for a cheap one. You know guys, if I didn't bought it from, what is this, like fireworks, you know? Look how it looks like it's burned. See, this is finishing for 2019. This is shame. It should be nano. It should be nano technology, not like this. You know guys, if I didn't bought it from Nike store by myself, I will never gonna say that this is the original. I will say this is high copy. I will doubt. I will say, what is this? Even look, guys, I will show you. Wow, still not see any issues yet. Wow, what is this finishing? Look here. What is this extra here? Wow, what is this? Cheap quality as fuck. And even tongue looks cheap. You know guys, this is wow, what is this? Wait, it's full of issues. See here. See here. Wait, the shoes full of issues. The other side here also. Wow. This is Viber Max 2019. This is fuck you. Let's take the other one. Trash, shame that Nike create this. Shame that Nike create these shoes. To be honest with you, I'm not satisfied. You have to know, this is my light here, it's yellow lamp. You think that this is gold like this? I swear to God, it's not gold like this. Even like this, my iPhone show now, it's not so goldy like this. It's light gold. You know, in sunlight, I took it outside yesterday in sunlight. Appeared so light gold. You know, I bought clothes gold and black. I thought it's gonna match. Why Nike you lie? Why you say it's black gold? It's silver gold. It's not black gold. Why they lie? They say it's black gold. And what's this finishing? This is shame that they create that they done finishing like this. I mean, what's this? What's this material? What's this here? Wow, what is this? I had feeling that this is not handmade. This they created under leader, you know, in home under leader, in high building, factory under leader. And I want to tell you something, guys. He's not so soft on the ground. You know, I tried. This is lying. Here there is no air. Here there is no air. Here there is no air. Here, yeah, here and here there is air. Because I tried. I counted. Look, here there is no air. Up here. Here there is no air. No air. Only here and here. And by the way, guys, you know, here in Ukraine, here they have tree. This tree is dropping spikes. You know, tough kind of. Her leaves is like spike. I have 3 Air Max before. It's enter here and the air out. Air Max 2017, 18, and another Air Max I was have it also 2016. I mean 3, and this is now the 4th one. And also sure the air will out. Why do you not create it tough from down? Why do you not create this more fat that she will not got spike or anything? Anyway, fuck this point. It's not the relation here that we have trees like this and the government here should not clean roads. But I'm telling you about the issues. Too many issues. Also, see, this is the second shoes. Also, see the finishing here. Wow, what's this crap? And even here, guys, looks so cheap. And they say that Nike take 5 years. Maybe he was drunk in this 5 years. Every time he got drunk, he go create little bit. Next day he got drunk, he create little bit. This is 5 years, or this is 5 days to create this. Shame, full of issues, and not comfortable like Air Max 2018. My Air Max 2018 is more comfortable than this. To be honest with you guys, I am not satisfied about the shoes. It's completely trash. And the other one also on the ground there is trash. I know advice. Listen, if you want to buy it one way or another, you like the color like this, okay. But it's not comfortable. It's not as much as Air Max 2018 or Air Max other one. And number 2, the finishing is completely crap. Shame that Nike have a lot of factory defaults. They have a lot of issues like this. I mean, for what I spend money. Listen, let's say that I'm not a rich man and this is all I have. I collect, I tire to buy the shoes. Why you should give me what I deserve? I spent money too enough that you are giving me something, not issues like this. And I want to say something. Let's say that this is factory default. I bought it from Nike store. How could be factory default? Let's gonna say that this is factory default. Don't sell it. Or right here that it's factory default or something. Don't sell it for normal people that you will push it for other people that is nice shoes. I mean, for example, because a lot of people on eBay, they have factory default shoes, different kind of shoes from Nike, and they sell it as don't have issues, and they sell it to third and second world countries that they don't have chance to back it, and back it is headache, and he already wait too much to get it 1 month. So they know for what they do, they know for who they push it. Anyway, guys, I'm telling you, my opinion about the shoes is completely trash. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you again in other videos with Hassan Ali for objection. Also trash, and peace and love for everyone. And don't forget to put thumbs up. You know, if I see anyone put his thumbs down, I will search for his address, I will go to his home, I will follow him, and I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna kiss him. Okay, guys, I'm joking. Just a kidding. Bye. Love you all.